Good evening. We begin tonight with an important update on regional cooperation and security between Ethiopia and South Sudan. The first Ethiopian-South Sudan Joint Border Administrators Discussion Forum, held in Addis Ababa over 2 days, has concluded successfully. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs announced that the forum ended with a commitment to collaborate on development, peace maintenance in border areas, infrastructure development, and enhancing people-to-people relations. Additionally, the forum addressed issues with the Merle tribe, known for violence, cattle theft, and kidnapping children. Merle leaders were warned to stop their tribesmen from attacking the Nur and Eniwek living along the border. The Merle are recognized as a significant threat to the South Sudanese and Ethiopian people, particularly in the Gambella region. The Ethiopian government also urged the Eniwek to stop their terrorist activities against South Sudanese refugees living in the Gambella refugee camp. The South Sudanese government has indicated that it will take serious measures if these attacks do not cease.